To me, it feels like football does.
It does.
It does.
Yeah, it does.
So we've got the whole gang out here. One of my favorite things to do ahead of a big game is to fire up the grill and get some delicious recipes going and bring on Angie Horkan with the Wisconsin Beef Council. And she's brought in a delicious, just a gorgeous looking piece of meat this morning.
I know. It's the first one. So I'm kicking off the year with one of my favorite Beef Council recipes.
What do you got for us?
It's actually a smoked tri-tip with grilled corn elote. Now, you don't have to smoke the tri-tip. You can grill it. So tri-tip is a bottom sirloin, very popular on the coast, and it's becoming more popular here in the Midwest. But it's usually a 1.5 to 2 pound cut, and you really want to have this medium rare. So if you want to do it on the smoker, it's only like an hour to 2
Manageable.
hours.
That's not bad.
So if you have a portable smoker, you want to smoke on location, definitely go for it. Or just do an indirect grill. Or smoke it ahead of time like I did, and then I'm just reheating it on the grill, and it's going to be perfect.
Okay, that's an option too.
We're going to add a really nice flavorful paste. So I've
Look at
got
that. What do you have
a
mixed up
base
in there?
of olive oil, paprika, some salt and pepper, and then some ancho chili powder. Now, don't be scared by the ancho chili powder because it adds a really nice flavor, a little bit of heat, but it's not super spicy because I'm not a huge spicy person. But
Just a little
will eat
something
this.
in there to get you going.
To it is
So
good.
so the tri-tip should have a little fat cap like this, kind of like a brisket.
Yeah.
When you grill it or smoke it, always put that up because that's going to render down,
All right, fat
keep
cap
it
up.
juicy,
Yeah, get
and
those
it's going to be
juices in there.
beautiful. Put a thermometer in it. You want it medium rare. So
Can you
Get your minds out of it.
Josh is going to make our grilled corn elote. So
All
I
right.
went ahead and I did a double batch. So I grilled up 6 ears of sweet corn, and then we're going to
Yum.
add in cotija cheese.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. A cup of
dump it all in
cotija,
there.
and then 1.5 cups of mayo. Here's a spatula. And the juice of 1 lime, the cilantro that's there, and then a little more ancho chili powder for that same kind of flavor.
I'm trying.
Okay, I'm going to pull
All right,
this
get that
off.
lime in here.
Let's get that lime. Squeeze
Help
it on
me out,
there. Got the
Sanford.
lime and the coconut.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there we go.
The lime in the coconut.
I don't know.
I'm going to slice the tri-tip.
Look at this team effort right here.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is great.
Oh, look.
Oh, this
Wait,
smells
there's
so
some more
good.
lime.
Can I get in here?
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
lime.
Oh, my God.
Tyron,
I
need
just
some
kind of
more
rounded
lime.
up
you
on
can
the
only
grill.
eat it if you help out.
But a nice medium rare for the
Here,
tri-tip.
squeeze the rest.
Okay, hold
You can
on.
add your magic touch.
Okay.
But it's a bottom sirloin, so it's a
Yeah.
little more economical too. It's not as
I like that. I
Is
like
it
that
a-
a lot. You were right about the spice. It's just a little kick, not hardly noticeable at all. It doesn't overpower the flavor of the meat. And
Okay.
it's just a really
I'm just
good,
gonna kind of do this.
really good.
We'll lay this out, and then
Smells
we'll put some
good.
You might be on the wrong
grilled
programming.
corn
That might
elote.
be in your future.
Perfect. Oh, this is beautiful.
Thank you, thank
Okay,
you.
let's
Look
see.
at that.
Oh, yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah. So make the grilled corn elote before you head out to location. Just keep it in the cooler. Keep it on some ice. But isn't this a beautiful tailgate spread? Who is not going to love this? Some
Oh, my
sliced
gosh.
up grilled savory beef tri-tip with the grilled corn elote.
Oh my God, it's going to impress too. I mean, this,
Oh,
this
yeah.
seems fancy.
Yeah.
As soon as you say the word elote,
Elote.
it like
Just-
takes it up to another level.
Yes.
Okay, this sounds
Yes.
fancy. This is not your typical brats and burgers. I love how you mix it up. You
Good.
bring on these unique
Good.
recipes for us. You get people to maybe break their norms. You know, maybe experiment a little bit.
Try something new. I created
Love
a
it.
whole new page on beeftips.com.
Love
So
that.
on the home page, you will see tailgating recipes as seen on Channel 3 morning show. So go to there. This recipe is the first one. And then I've got a bunch of other fun tailgating recipes we're going to feature throughout the season.
This is one of those spreads where you're like walking by a tailgate and you smell something and it's just like, I want to be there.
What do you got? What do you got here? What do you
That's
guys
the
got?
one.
So we will plate it all up, and we're going to tailgate right now.
Let's do it.
Yes.
All right,
I can't
Angie,
wait.
always love having you on.